There was a little confusion about where and how to provide your peer reviews and your practice videos, so I'm going to do a short video on what it looks like on my end. Hopefully that will help you to ascertain where to go and what to do. So I have gone under the week 6, which is when your practice video is due. You will click your practice your informative speech, click that link, and when you are ready to record, you will get an option to either upload a video or record a video. I've already recorded one, so you will see this little button that shows that it's ready to play. If I don't like that one, I can delete it. And then as part of the evaluation process, the peer review, you will go to the evaluation tab and you will see my video has been submitted and then the student results list of students in the class who should be submitting. As I play the video, you'll notice that there's an option for add comment. So you can also comment. Add sync comment means that I think it means anyway that as you're watching a video you can add a comment while it's playing. So this is the area where you will provide peer reviews. I also, in your anonymous feedback survey, saw that someone had requested a sheet to use for peer reviews, and that's a great idea. I use it for my online classes. I neglected to do it for Speech 1. So I'm going to put a worksheet on Blackboard under this week's folder that gives you a template for things that you can address as you watch your peers' speeches. I hope that helps, and I think that the way that this current assignment is set up is for everybody to be able to view everyone's. So I just ask that you find a couple of speeches, 2 of your classmates' speeches to watch and give some feedback on. You don't have to do everybody's. If you want to watch more and provide commentary on more, that is certainly fine, but at a minimum, please do 2. All right, I hope that helped, and if you have questions, let me know. Thanks.